VS22 update. Version 10 was fairly short-lived. We got it printed, we got everything fixed up to it, got everything put into it, was able to feed and extract rounds, but we ran into a slight issue. We need to insert a magazine that had more than one round. It was getting caught on the bottom of the bolt. It would still go in, but what's happening, the top round is getting pushed down. It has a tendency that, just like there, I just pushed it down. So now if you look at it, that rim is actually below or behind the following round. So what that ends up doing is causing jams. Since it can't feed straight out, it tries to bring the second one with it. It just catches in front of the magazine. Nothing moves. If it does move, then you're looking at potential double feeds. What I don't want to happen is for a bolt to be going home at full speed, hitting that rim hard enough and potentially causing it to go off. I don't think it will happen since the rim is already getting picked up by the bolt, but it's just something I don't want to risk. Which is why we have version 11. So version 11, very similar to version 10 as far as overall looks. We do have a little dongle here now. And this dongle is held in place by this third pin. Unlike the fun third pins, this one is just holding a bolt hold open in place. So when you push up on that dongle, it will lift up an arm, catches the bottom of the bolt itself, and that prevents it from going forward. So now we can insert a magazine on the bolt being open. To release it, all we're doing, just pulling it back slightly. It doesn't take much pressure at all. And go ahead and make sure it's feeding. Okay. The magazine has a taller follower, so it already does catch, it doesn't let it go all the way home, but it doesn't come back far enough to actually lock the bolt. If I drop the magazine, the bolt will go forward. So from this point, it's not too hard to just pull it back a little farther, lift that bolt release up, drop it. Yeah, you're not gonna be getting crazy splits, doing cool man reloads, reaching under, hooking. With larger calibers, I don't see it being an issue, especially ones that are not rimmed. But for 22, it definitely needs that little extra help. And nobody's trying to set records with 22s, at least none of my projects yet. So just wanted to show a quick update with the dongle and a bolt hold open we have now for the VS22. This is version 11, and this one will be hitting the range. Thanks, guys.